Okay, so right here, I have my program for the the random number guessing game. So here we have the import random to allow it to randomly generate the number. We have the number of tries, which is set to 0, and we have done, which is equal to false for the loop. Right here, we introduce the game. It prints out welcome. It welcomes and it gives a brief rundown on what the game is. Then right here, we set the max value where we have this line that asks the user to pick a positive integer. And then once they do enter it, this line of code gets the integer and picks a number in between that and the max value to have the guessing game. And then here I tell them that they will pick a number between 1 and the number that they chose, and then that their number of guesses will be shown at the end. And right here, I have the list for the guesses. And then after that, I prompt the user for a number. So they guess their number, and when they do that, it'll go into this loop right here. And on this loop is where it will choose whether it was too high, too low, or it was the correct number. Let's go down on the list. If it goes to correct number, then if it's just the correct number, it'll add 1 try. It'll add that number to the list. And then it says you're correct, you got it in these tries. And then it gives you the list of guesses. And then it says done equals true to end the loop. But if it doesn't go there, it'll calculate if it's either too high or too low by having the greater than or less than. And by having that, it'll add tries plus 1. It'll add that number to the list, and then it will say too high or too low if it was too high or too low. And then it prompts them to try again, which then it will have the user put in a new number, which it'll start to loop again until it gets it correct. And that's all my code. So thank you.